Hello, my name is Mr. Manzke, and today we're going to take a look at some examples of triangles. We're going to classify them either by their sides or angles. This is Unit 1, Day 5, and we're on page 4. So the following triangles we're going to take a look at are acute triangles, equilateral triangles, isosceles triangles, obtuse triangles, right triangles, and scalene triangles. So if we are going to take a look here's the first one. Now notice here you have a 90-degree angle and a right angle. So if we had to classify this first one, we say that this is a right, these are right triangles. Second one, here we have three triangles. Notice that all three sides are different lengths. Like this is 8, 15, 17. This is 11, 20, and 28. All three numbers are different. Here's 6, 7, and 8. So if we look at our list, the one we would choose is scalene. Now remember, scalene is going to mean that all three sides are different. So what I would write here is just write scalene triangles for this one. Here, move it up a little bit. Okay, so the second one is scalene triangles. Okay, and the next one. Okay, so in this picture here we got markings on this triangle on the left. Notice that the three markings are all the same. And then the angles, see, I got the two tick marks, all three angles are the same. Okay, so this is an example of a equilateral triangle. Again, if all three sides are the same, notice they're both 8. So from our choices, we would choose equilateral triangles. Remember, the first answer was right triangles. Again, these are scalene triangles. And these are going to be equilateral triangles. All right, the fourth one. Now we're going to look at the angles here. First triangle on the left here. 51, 63, 66. All three angles are less than 90. The middle triangle, 40, 55, 85. All three angles are less than 90. And the triangle on the right, 28, 72, 80. All three angles are less than 90 degrees. So therefore, we would refer to these as acute triangles. Okay, so the next example here, we have two triangles. This is acute, 27 is acute, 41 is acute, 112 is obtuse. This is an obtuse angle. It's greater than 90, less than 180. Take a look at the second example. 22 is acute, 44 is acute, 118 is obtuse. So in this one, we would say this is a obtuse, or these are obtuse triangles. Okay, next. All right, so we got 4 examples here. Two sides are congruent. That's an example of an isosceles triangle. 14, 14, 17. Notice that two sides. Remember, the length is 14 units, so this is an isosceles triangle. This example here, notice you got 3 tick marks. It's both an equilateral and an isosceles triangle, but since we already used equilateral as an option, we're going to say this is going to be classified as an isosceles. And the last one. Notice the 3 tick marks here, 3 tick marks here. That would mean that they're isosceles. So again, going back to our list, what do we use so far? Okay, so isosceles triangles would be the one we would classify that as. So we had right, scalene, equilateral, acute, obtuse, and this would be isosceles. Again, it's called isosceles triangles. Okay, so we have answered all 6 questions. So if you have any questions for me, let me know. My name is Mr. Manzke, and I'm the geometry teacher. Thanks for watching.